Hey guys, we're going to be coring out some gray squash and eggplant for Mahashi. Kosa Mahashi o betinjan Mahashi. We're going to be filling this with the rice filling, and I'll show you where the link is for that recipe. But in the meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to prep the veggies to be stuffed and cooked. First, you want to cut off the stem and the bottom part right there very lightly. You don't want to cut too much into the squash because you don't want to lose your precious vegetable. You just want the part that's inedible. You start by making like a pyramid top, just so you can start coring out the rest of the vegetables. See how that's like a cone? And that just makes it easier. And now we're going to do the same concept, but as we roll with the hand that's holding the squash, you just roll it around, and then you do this like circular motion with your hand that's holding the core. See? And you just kind of go with it. You'll get the hang of it. I'm sure you're going to break a few in the process, but some good tips are use your vegetable room temperature. You don't want it out of the fridge or it will crack really quickly while you're coring it out. And yeah, that's it. Just move in this circular motion, and it should be easier to take out the pulp from the vegetable. Don't throw away your pulp from the squash. I'm going to show you how to make that tomorrow, inshallah. And now let's move on to the eggplant. Nice and ready. Excuse the background music. I'm going to kill them. It's so loud in my house. I can't do this anymore. These quiet videos. It's all got to be voiceover. All right, so with the eggplant, we leave some of the stem on. It's going to help hold it together when we're cooking. And just cut the top off, and it looks really pretty once it's done. And the same thing, you just do like a pyramid kind of top, and then circular motion, move it around. Eggplant is a lot easier to core out. It's more like a sponge, so you just kind of like coring it out isn't as hard. And we do the same thing. And when you're done, both vegetables might have a little bitter flavor if you don't do this part, so you want to make like a salt water bath for the vegetables and soak them for about 5 to 10 minutes. This just takes any bitterness away from the vegetable before you stuff them. And don't rinse it from the salt water. You're just going to put it in a colander, let them drain out, and then your filling should be ready to go, and then you cook them. So I hope this vegetable coring video was helpful. I know it's not like my typical videos, but I do think these steps are really necessary to know in the kitchen, especially if you're going to make our cuisine. Let me know what you think in the comment section.